Hey everyone! Copying objects between different drawings is something you'll do every single day in AutoCAD. But if you just use a standard copy and paste, you might lose your precision or land your objects in the wrong spot. In 2026, the copy with base point method is still the gold standard for accuracy. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to move objects between files without losing your mind. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open both drawings. First, make sure both your source drawing, where the object is, and your target drawing, where you want it to go, are open in the same AutoCAD session. You can switch between them easily using the drawing tabs at the top of your workspace. Step 2. Copy with base point. Go to your source drawing and select the objects you want to move. Instead of just Ctrl+C, press Ctrl plus Shift plus C. This is the copy base command. AutoCAD will ask you to specify base point. Click a specific corner, an endpoint, or an intersection. This gives you a handle to hold the object so you can place it accurately later. Step 3. Switch to the target drawing. Now, click on the tab for your target drawing. Make sure you are in the correct space, model, or layout where you want the object to live. Step 4. Paste to original coordinates. If you want the object to land in the exact same geographic location, don't just hit Paste. Go to the Home tab, click the Paste drop-down menu, and select Paste to Original Coordinates. This is a lifesaver for site plans and floor plans where everything needs to line up perfectly across different files. Step 5. Standard paste and place. If you just need to place it manually, press Ctrl+V. The object will appear attached to your cursor at the base point you picked in Step 2. Click exactly where you want it to go. Pro tip, if you can't see your objects after pasting, type Z, then E, and hit Enter to zoom extents. They're usually just hiding off screen. Using a base point is the difference between a messy drawing and a professional one. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.